2026's biggest home decor trend is here, and it is called rustic modern. This style blends the warmth of natural textures with the clean lines of contemporary design. Imagine raw wood beams paired with minimalist light fixtures, or earthy colors meeting sleek hardware. Designers say it is more than just a style. It is a feeling that brings comfort and style together. The earthborn terracotta palette is replacing the cool gray tones of the past decade. Think burnt clay, muted peach, and warm rush shades that feel grounded and timeless. Try painting an accent wall, adding terracotta planters, or layering cozy throws in these inviting colors to instantly update your space. Patterned floors are making a huge comeback. The terracotta checkerboard pattern leads the way, but mosaics and geometric tiles are also popular. When paired with neutral walls, these bold floors create a high-end designer look without breaking the bank. Tactile fabrics like boucle, linen, and soft-woven throws are essential for 2026. Even a single boucle accent chair can make a room feel more welcoming and lived in. Rustic Modern embraces biophilic design, adding leafy corners or small indoor plant rooms. Plants not only look great, but also improve air quality and create a calming vibe. Start by adding terracotta accents, a statement floor or rug, and tactile fabrics with greenery. Small changes can make your home feel 2026 ready in just a weekend. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Pick 1 or 2 terracotta accents to warm up your space. Step 2. Add a statement floor or patterned rug for visual interest. Step 3. Layer in tactile fabrics and greenery. You don't need a full renovation, so small changes can make your home feel 2026 ready in just a weekend. Rustic Modern is here to stay. And the earlier you embrace it, the more your home will stand out. Which element will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Decorholic for more design tips.